Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Led by large cap companies, the market has extended its pullback to the levels of 16,600, 16,650 levels on Tuesday. Monday, we saw maximum weakness in metal and financial sector, but that turned strong on Tuesday. However, FMCG and IT, which was the strong on Monday, were weakest on Tuesday. Technically, we see something like this if the market is in pullback mode. If global markets remain strong, then Nifty could once again retest the levels of 16,700. The 10-day simple moving average, which is the short-term moving average, is acting as major support for the market, and since last 2 days whenever the market has fallen to the same, we saw recovery in the market. So it shows that there is like strength in the market, and because it was over retraced, overbought, we saw some profit taking in the market. But otherwise, if we go through with advanced decline ratio, then in last 4 days the advanced decline ratio was pathetic, but yesterday we saw complete reversal in that particular ratio, and because of that we saw broad based activity on Tuesday. So for the day, the important level is again 16,700. Above that, 16,740 would act as major resistance. Below 16,650, the next level to watch out for would be 16,570 and 550. In case if we see the market starts sustaining below the levels of 16,550, then we can expect furthermore weakness in the market. Financials did well on Tuesday, and furthermore upside is not ruled out in today's date. NBFCs, housing finance companies should participate in the broader run up. We like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank based on their technical formation. HDFC Limited was also very close to its important support areas, and today we may see some activity in HDFC Limited. Also, there was some reversal activity in Larsen as well as Reliance Industries. We cannot forget that the current up move is led by large cap companies, and that's the reason we need to focus more and more on large cap companies. Now, if we go through with the spotlight of Tuesday, then the FIs sold heavily on Tuesday, nearly 1600 crores, but the domestic entities not only eased the selling pressure but also infused nearly 800 crores extra. That has helped the market heavily. On the FNO segment, FIs reduced long positions on put side as well as on the call option side and have added futures. So it shows that they are bullish in the short term. However, the retailers have added call writing and reduced put writing. It means they are expecting limited upside. Globally, company earnings, expanding vaccination, and support from monetary policy are repairing sentiment after a bout of jitters over the economic outlook caused by the fast spreading Delta strain. The next key read on the central bank outlook is due later this week when Federal Reserve Chairman Jeremy Powell speaks at the Jackson Hole Symposium. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Stay connected with us. Have a great day to all of you.